If you've been following along with my channel, thanks by the way, but you also know that I just recently installed the Rebel Offroad XPLOR half-height bed rack from my Jeep Gladiator. I replaced my old solution, which was a Diamondback HD cover, for this revolutionary bed rack. Revolutionary? Yes, it is, and here's why. Rebel Offroad makes this hatch that works with the tailgate and the bed rack to create a level of security that is unmatched by any other bed rack. As you can see, the hatch is attached to the bed rack with some gas struts and creates a good seal with the tailgate to create that level of security. In a recent video, I just did a review and an install for the Rebel Offroad XPLOR half-height bed rack. I just discovered that I made a huge error in installing the bed rack, and I'm going to show you that right after this. But first, if you like this content, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button for more. My Rebel Offroad bed rack is an amazing piece of gear, and I absolutely love it. It has these integrated plates that I can buy more and put on the inside and have storage on the outside and inside. I have my rooftop tent mounted, and I have this hatch that allows everything in the bed to be secure. Although you can see it, you can't get anything out. For that mistake, this is what I did. So I don't know if you can see, but there's this gap right here. And what we recently discovered is that there's this rubber flange, and I've got it facing towards the bed tailgate. But when you look at how the hatch is configured, this lip that comes out is actually supposed to be facing the tailgate. So what did I do? I actually installed the hatch backwards. In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how I take that off, flip it around, and reinstall it correctly to create that seal up against the tailgate. So before we get going on the deinstall and reinstall, let me show you what we got to do. So we got to remove these 4 bolts from both sides and remove the panel from the hinges on the top. Additionally, we have to remove these 4 bolts that take this bracket with the gas struts and just slide that down. We'll have to remove the handle and put it on the other side. And then once we get everything done, we just flip it over, reinstall it, and then boom, bye-bye gap. So I'm gonna show you that right now. Here it is.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
There you go. So you saw it. I lost a couple bolts in the process, lost a couple washers, but we found it. That was pretty tedious work. This is a lot heavier than what I thought. But as you can see, flipping it around totally fixes that gap issue. I have no issue here. It sits pretty flush. I still may want to put the gaskets back in just so that I can get keep that from rattling. But yeah, it sits flush now. This gasket, not real sure what that's for since it sits on the inside, but it works. Pretty tedious, pretty simple though, and didn't take really a long time. Hope that solved the problem for you. If you got anything left of your weekend, get out and enjoy it, and we'll see you next time on Jack Monkey Jeep.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you